Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your Ubuntu server has required packages. Do not skip this. Once done, add Docker's official GPG key and the stable repository so you get trusted packages. Then install Dockerc, Dockerc-CLI, and Containerized. EO in one command and enable the service with systemctl so Docker starts on boot. This sequence gives you a clean runtime and package provenance, which prevents conflicts later when pulling images or running containers. Once Docker is installed, make it practical for daily work by adding your user to the Docker group so you can run commands without sudo, relogin, or reboot to apply the group membership. Next, tune /etc/docker/daemon. JSON for storage and logging to match your disk and retention needs, and add registry mirrors if required. Finally, install the Docker Compose plugin or Compose v2. Then validate with Docker Compose version, so orchestration commands are ready. Now start containers. Pull an image and run it detached with port mappings and a restart policy so services recover after reboots. Verify with Docker PS and inspect runtime output via Docker logs and Docker inspect for networking or mount problems. If you hit permission denied, relogin after adding your user to the Docker group. If the daemon fails, run systemctl status docker and journalctl udocker to see errors and stack traces. Use these logs to pinpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.